What up, YouTube? It's your boy West, and this is Kicks from West. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, man. Hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. And if you like this video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Another Saturday, another Jordan release. We got these Katrina IIIs releasing this morning. Now, this morning, on the sneakers app, it took 17 minutes for them to sell out. All the other websites online, Foot Locker, Champs, Chic, Shoe Palace, Villa, Kicks USA, so they sold out right now, man. So I'm on my way to the mall to go pick up my pair. I was lucky enough to win the raffle at Finish Line. I put in for 4 raffles. I did Finish Line, I did Chic, I did Shoe Palace, and I did Champs. So I'm 1 for 4, man. 1 for 3, or whatever, however you say this shit. It's early in the morning, and I ain't getting no sleep yet. Got off work, came home, showered, cooked a little breakfast, and got dressed and hopped in the whip so I could get these shoes, because I got other things to do today. I got 2 houses to look at. If you don't know, I am in search of buying a house for me and my family. Come on, bro, what are you doing? Get over. Oh my God, these people out here cannot drive whatsoever. It kills me. Well, it don't kill me, but I'd rather complain about them not driving than having to deal with stolen cars shooting in front of you, or being chased by police and running into you. So I'd rather complain about people not driving than having to deal with that. But anyway, man, I'm on my way to the mall right now to go pick up these Katrina IIIs. Just to share a little history with y'all, for those that do not know, this shoe started out as a PE in 2003 for Derek Anderson, who played for the Portland Trail Blazers. And it was a player exclusive shoe for him only. And then in 2006, Jordan released 1 pair for a charity auction for those who was affected by Hurricane Katrina. So they raised up money, you know, I don't know how much exactly they raised up, but they raised up money for charity to help those that was affected by Hurricane Katrina. And so basically that's part of the name of the shoe. And so here we are, 2018, with a wider release. If you want this shoe, you should be able to get this shoe, you know, online and sold out. But if you hit the mall and do your footwork, you should be able to grab it. So I just wanted to give y'all a little history on the shoe for those that did not know. And I'm gonna get back to y'all once I get to the mall, get up off this camera. Just got up in the mall. It's dead as hell in here. You can hear the echo. Word up. The fucking stores ain't even open yet. Thank God. Finish Line opened up early, so I can get in, get out. Super dead. Look at this. Super dead. Ain't shit open right now. Good morning, how you doing? All right. Well, see Shoe Palace open. But I didn't win Shoe Palace, so there's no need for me to go there. I'm gonna hop on the elevator, escalator all the way down there by JCPenney, and elevator right around this corner. So I'm gonna do that, hop on the elevator. On feet, I told y'all I could wear these every day. Every day I can wear these joints. Epic react. Oh, ain't no coffee spilled in the elevator today. Well, not yet. Still ain't open yet. But yeah, man, I can wear these shits every day. This is the most comfortable shoe ever. Besides Ultra Boost, that's comfortable as well too. So they got the gate halfway up. That's cool. Hopefully they ain't playing no music. Yeah, they playing music. I don't know what they playing, but let me talk. talk to y'all. Yeah, a little sneak peek what's on the wall real quick. So, let y'all see. Bang bang.
Hey, what's going on, my man?
What up, what up, what up, what up?
He said he came rap up to the right.
That's right, that's right. What's up, brother? How you doing? Alright. Got them tinkers on feet. Got them tinkers on feet.
Buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, how you taking it, man?
Good, good so far, man. Can't complain. I'm alive, breathing.
Hey, that's the main goal right there, right? Wake
That's
up,
right.
Walk, talk.
That's right. You're above ground.
Have you a great one today, man.
You too, man. Have a good one. Alright, there we go. Got him in and out. And I got him for under retail. So, back on this elevator I go. Get home. Go check out these two houses. Come back. Do the review. Do the on foot. And the unboxing. And I got something else too in this bag. I ain't seen nobody else do this yet, but I had to be different. Ain't nothing wrong with being different. It's cool to be different. Just know that. Alright, y'all, so we made it back to the crib. Know what I mean? One of the houses was okay. The inside was alright. Backyard wasn't that too big. Second house, the lady flaked on me. She said she couldn't make it out today. Asked me if I could reschedule. So that's what happened. But anyway, let's get into this unboxing, man. When I tell y'all these shits is fire, these shits is fire, bro. For real. Oh, hold on, I'm missing something. No, I ain't. Alright, so here we go. Got your regular 3-box. Size 10.5. Hey, yo, look at my box, bro. Look at that. I don't know if somebody was mad at Finish Line or what. And they're like, hey, you got to stay late. And it was like, man, fuck all that. I'm trying to get up out of here. And they just started throwing shoes around. But who cares, man? It's just a box. Don't really mean nothing to me. So, go ahead and take this off. Bang, bang. Get out there. Yo. Oh, my God. Jesus Christ. Oh, my God. Woo! Nature boy. Gotta give it a woo on this one, man. For real, for real. These joints is straight nice. Hey, if you cop today, congratulations to you. And if you struck out, then you know how the game go. Just be patient. It should be a restock on these sometime in the middle of the week. Just be ready. Have the notifications on. So without further ado, let's get into these shoes, man. And here we go. Ha ha. Bang bang. Air Jordan Retro 3 Katrinas, man. These joints is straight fire. Straight fire. Look at that tongue action. Nice, soft. This shit soft as hell. Check that out, man. Check it out. Nice and soft leather. Check out your quarter panels. Even this right here is soft. Right here is soft. Toe box area. Come on, camera. Fucking focus. Thank you. Soft. These are soft, man. They did a good job on these. Good job on these, man. Good job on these. Look at that elephant print. Now, what would have been dope on the back if they would have put this in red? That would have been dope as hell. Word up. Just to have a little bit more red to the shoe. But they kept it true down to the T. As you can see. Straight clean, man. These are straight clean. Birthday kicks. Every year, on my birthday or before my birthday, I buy myself a pair of shoes. And these are them, man. These are them right here. I know the 11 low Derek Jeters come out the day of my birthday, but I don't want those. I'm not interested in that shoe. So, I know in the mall I said I was going to do something different. And what I meant by that, got your plain white old laces, plain Janes. So I went ahead, copped these red laces. So I'm going to take these white laces out, throw the red laces in. Down in the comment section, y'all tell me how y'all feel about the red laces versus the white laces. And would you have gone this route? For me, when I first made a decision that I was going to buy this shoe, I automatically was like, yep, I'm taking them white laces out and I'm throwing the red laces in just to give it a little bit more pop and make the shoe stand out just a little bit more. And plus, it ain't nothing wrong with being different, man. You want to stand out from the crowd. You don't want to blend in with everybody either. So, yeah, man. I'm going to take these white laces out for the on foot and throw these red laces in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have one red and one white. And like I said, down in the comment section, y'all let me know how y'all feel. Would y'all just kept it original with the white laces? Or would you have went out and got the red laces and swapped them out? So that's the left shoe. Here go the right. Here go the right shoe. Make sure everything intact. Everything good. Ain't nothing messed up on them. These is good, man. Good to go. Good to go. And like I stated in the mall, cop these for under retail. So my total price came to $186.40. I don't care what nobody say. I show proof because, nigga, I don't lie. I don't have no reason to lie. I keep it straight up 100 with y'all. So that's going to be pretty much it for this video here. Stick around because the on feed is up next. Don't want to miss that. And if you ain't subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're doing, man. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Come join the channel, man. Be sure to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. And like I said before, if you like this video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And before I go, I just want to mention one thing. My cousin, he got a YouTube channel. He's a gamer. You know what I mean? He also got a channel on Mixer.com, which is something I'm new to. I never really heard of it. But anyway, I'm going to leave all his information down in the description. You guys be sure to go check him out. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. It's called UnbreakableSkin. And in his intro, he'd be like, hold up, hold up, hold up. So, cuz, I told you I was going to plug you. I plugged you in. Everybody who watched this video, be sure to subscribe to his channel. Show some support, man. If you're into video games, he do a lot of walkthroughs. He break down, know what I mean, show you some hidden gems in the game, some things you might not have known. And yeah, man, be sure to subscribe to his channel, man. It's called UnbreakableSkin. I'll repeat it one more time. The channel is called UnbreakableSkin. Be sure to follow him on Instagram and on Twitter. So until the next video, it's your boy West. This is KickzFromWest, and I'm out. Peace.
Brian Little.